Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlists also. Thank you. Let's start. In this video we will speak about how to start your project from template. If you go to File and from New, you can make project. When you select, he told you select template and give here for template. From here, after this you can create a new project. If you create a new project, you will use this template. If you make project template, you will take a blank file, not a blank but have a blank. You can make or create your template, but for me, I will create project. The difference between template is according to this schedule in a project browser. This is the difference of the template. This is other template, not here. You can get it by click browser and go here and get this. This is commercial, as example, GRB English. What's the meaning of this? If you go here, this is some advantage from the Revit help. He told you in this version he gave 4 template. Here there are new 4 templates and told you what is the difference between these templates. It told you default GBR used for general project, residential that contain families more applicable to residential projects, and the other one commercial is families more applicable for commercial, and so on. This means there is difference in the templates. Maybe you don't need any from this templates, and if you work in office or company, he may have template and you will start to work on it. For me, I will cancel this and cancel this. Here there is 4 view. How I make this? I open for a project from this template. This one as example. This is the name I bought for it. He not open. When he open, he not give this name. He give you project and give the number after the project. But for me, I make save as and give this the commercial and this residential. This is construction and this is architecture. But I don't save this because I need to tell you when I open any default from here or inside, he gave you the project and put the number according to the number of creation of the project. Okay, this is architecture. I click here to get this view. You go to view and from view switch view. You have here for a project, and inside every project you have tabs. If you open another one like level 0, you will put here. From view, I make title view like this, and after this I make zoom all to fit to understand what we make. For this and this I make shape to understand. I will go here in the project 24 and we speak this is template, architecture template. Take care, here is floor plans 3, ceiling 1, 2, 0 and 1, and 3D and so on. And in the schedule he makes this for you directly. Room schedule and list visit, view list. The sheet he bought 1 sheet for you and the family. Okay, if I go here as example for construction, take care, in construction have the same thing, but in the schedule he not have the room. Here he have room schedule, here as example not have. If I click here for residential and go up, take care, he in the sheet not give you any sheet, and in the schedule not give you any schedule like room. Okay, so that you will select what you need, but for me I will use that default one, new project, so I don't need to save architecture template, and okay, he will open this one, and from this I will close anyone. For me, I will make zoom to it. This will be my default to start our work. Today, the video is finished. See you in the other video. Thank you.